So guys, as we know that Unity Ads and Startup are both impressive mobile advertising platform and they have their own set of features, target audience and integration methods. And in this video, I am going to give you a detailed comparison between Unity Ads and Startup, and I have just mentioned 5 criteria which are developer platform, ad format, integration, target audience and monetization features. So let's start. So if we talk about developer platform, so Unity, as the name implies, Unity Ad is tightly integrated with Unity game development platform. It is primarily designed for game developers who use Unity to create their games. Okay, for a startup is just a mobile advertising platform that caters to wide range of application developers, and also it includes game and non-game application. It means that you can use these ad for your application which is game or a non-game application. Moving further, we talk about ad format. So for Unity Ad, it offers a variety of ad format like interstitial ad, video rewarded ads and banner ads, and these ad format are optimized for gaming experience. And for a startup, it also provides various kind of ad format like banner ads, native ad, rewarded ads, interstitial ads. So in this, it provide more ad format types than Unity Ad. Okay. So if we talk about integration, so how you can just implement your ad in your application. So for Unity Ads, integration is super easy. It is just a straightforward process. You can use the SDK and implement in your app code. And if we talk about startup, integrating a startup into app requires incorporating the SDK into app code base. Okay, so you have to just integrate and the process is same like Unity. There is no need to worry about, and it is easy. If you want app development or website development, you can contact. I have given my number in the description box. Okay, so if we talk about now target audience, how you can target your audience through Unity or a startup. So firstly, we will talk about Unity. So Unity targets primarily game developers who use their Unity engine to create a mobile game application. It offers a specialized ad format and optimization technique tailored to gaming experiences. Okay, and for a startup, it targets a broader audience of mobile app developers, including both game and non-game. So you can now understand that Unity is mostly used by game developers for integrating their ads in their application, while a startup can be used anywhere with whether it is a game application or it is a non-game application. And now the last and the final, monetization options. So Unity Ads focus on monetization through ad impression and rewarded video views within games. Developer can earn revenue based on their ad and user interaction with ads. So if user interaction is there in their ad, then only you will get revenue in Unity. And if we talk about a startup, it offers a variety of monetization options, including CPC, cost per click, CPI, cost per installation, and CPM, cost per mile campaign. Developer can choose the best option according to their need and their audience and their engagement metrics. Okay, and in summary, if we conclude the video, what we find: while both Unity and Startup are mobile advertising platform, they offer different audience and offer distinct features and integration methods. Unity Ad is well suited for game developers, while Startup is for non-game users, and if you have to target more audience, you can use a startup. I'm not telling that Unity do not provide broader audience. No, it provides, but mostly game development if you are doing, then you can use Unity Ads. Okay, thank you.